Hi traders, welcome to this new video. As from the title you can understand, it's about structure marking, how to correctly mark the SMC structure. Most of the people get confused when they mark the structure. I mean, when they see structure like in the drawing, it looks pretty easier, okay? It looks very easy to understand, to digest, to grasp. But when they in actual see the market, they get confused how to mark the structure. So that's why I'm trying to make this video for those, and I hope it will help everybody a lot. So starting the video from basics, I have a drawing for you. It will help you a lot while you map the structure. So there are some terms in SMC structure which most of you guys will be familiar with: boss, choke, inducement, higher high, lower high, etc. So starting from this point out, let's see if you can see this is our inducement. Price went down, then went up to take out the inducement. Once the price takes inducement, it's actually a liquidity. Inducement is a liquidity. So it's necessary for the market to take up the recent pullback liquidity, which is termed as inducement. So once it take out the inducement, it confirmed the lower low. Then went high, made some swings or waves, pullbacks, you can say corrections, whatever you call it, consolidation, retracement. It went down and created a new structure. It broke the previous lower low and created a new high. So this is our lower high confirmed after this breakup structure to the downside. Then again the pullback down, swing high. Once it created a swing high, it took taken out the inducement, the last pullback, the recent pullback, and it created a lower low again. Once the price takes inducement, it confirms the low or highs. So at this point, our low gets confirmed. Again, market break out the low in singular wave, in same one wave. So it's our breakup structure to the downside, and our lower high gets confirmed now. Then these are just pullbacks. At this point, market has taken out the inducement, confirmed its low. This is our high. Then again, as you can see, these are just pullbacks. And once market break out the high to the upside, it created a change of character. It's generally an indication of a trend change. At the moment, our structure was a trend was bearish. Our structure was also a bearish one. But this time our structure break to the upside. It means our structure is now bullish, but our trend was still bearish. So it's an indication that our structure is about to turn into bullish as well. The market came down to take out the inducement, confirm the high, went up and break the high to the upside. So break of structure to the upside. Then these are just pullbacks and taken out inducement, confirmed higher highs again, pullback. Once it breaks the structure to upside, it confirmed the higher low. So this will continue as you mark the structure. It's a simple drawing. Let's look it in the real market condition, because these charts look very messy. Okay, so starting from gold structure mapping, we are going to map the structure on daily time frame. Let's start the structure from a clear high or a clear low. So if we just start the structure from this low over here, it looks pretty clean low. So let's start the structure from this low. Because whenever you want to start the structure mapping, you will have to select a clear high or a clear low. So we can definitely start from this low over here or this high over here, but it will be very lengthy. The video length will be very like about 20 to 30 minutes. That's why I'm trying to select this structure over here, this low, and let's mark the structure from here. So the first thing is, if you want to consider it a low, if you say it's a low, okay, and then what you will have to look at that. You will have to check your high. Where is your structure high? At the moment, we can generally say this is our no high over here, no high. We can generally say that it's our high, okay, at this point, because it has taken out inducement in the form of this candle, or you can say it is also an inducement because this candle is an internal. Okay, this is inducement of these two candles. will act as inducement for us. Any of these you can select anyone, but we select the recent pullback. So once it take out the inducement, it was our low, and market has broken down the low to the downside. So it's a break of structure because we are bearish from this trend over here. Break of structure to the downside, our high gets confirmed. It's our high. Then market has broken down the structure to the downside. It's just a low, taken out the inducement over here. So once it take out the inducement, our low gets confirmed. Now continue the structure mapping to the upside. So at this point, these are the pullbacks. Okay, these are referred to as internal structure, which is a key thing, which is very important to understand the internal structure concepts. Market has taken out the liquidity from high, so our high gets swept only, not yet broken down, not yet a break of structure. We will extend this line. Once market has given a closing above this high, then it will be our break of structure. At the first place, it has just swept the highest liquidity, but now it's our break of structure to upside. We have our low confirmed over here already. So once it created a break of structure, we will have to identify an inducement. So where is our inducement? You can say that it's our inducement over here. Market has taken out inducement, then again continue to the upside. So once it taken out the inducement, our high is here. It is confirmed now. Market has swept the highest liquidity, then again went on to break the high. There are two theories. Some say that this high is swept, so we will have to look for a closing above this recent wick over here. That's quite clear. Both are true, both are accurate. Whatever matches your trading style, you can use any. So it's our breaker structure to the upside. Then our low is over here at this point now. It's actually a higher low, okay? Higher low because we are trending to the upside now. And we will have to look for inducement. This is inducement, but we will have to wait the market to take up. Again, this candle is an inducement, up, down, and finally market has taken out this inducement over here. Inducement taken out, create a higher high, confirm the higher high, okay? Confirm the higher high, then break the, at the moment our low is still here, so it's protected. And this is just internal structure over here from these swings over here. Everything is terminal. This is our break of structure to the upside now. So once you have created a break of structure, we will shift our low from this low to that low. Our low has been shifted, transferred to new level. It's our break of structure. Now we will have to identify where is our inducement. At this point, it's our inducement. But market is going to create another inducement if it went below, if it gives a price above the swing high. So if it gives a price above the swing high, then we will have to shift our inducement to the recent pullback. Market again created another swing high, so our inducement will shift from this one to this one over here. And finally market has taken out the inducement, so our high gets confirmed now. This is our high. Once we confirm the high, market price consolidated here at for some time, for a few days, for a week or two, then finally created a break of structure to the upside. So it's our break of structure to the upside. Where is our low? It will be our higher low, because let me clear it you for you. This was our last high point, okay? And price has given a close above this high over here on this candle, this particular candle, this buying candle. So you will mark these vertical lines like these for your simplicity, for your ease, for your convenience, and then mark out the lowest point in the mid of this vertical line. So this is our higher low. And if you see that price has given a closing below this higher low, so this is first time our change of character. And this was sorry our change of character first time as well. This was also a change of character. Change of character. Now what confirms after a change of character after a break of structure? Whenever we see a break of structure in bullish term, we will have our low confirmed. But so it's a change of character to the downside. So in this case, we will have our high confirmed. High gets confirmed. It's a higher high. Then we will have to look for the inducement again. Where is our inducement? At the moment, it's not our inducement because this is the master candle over here, this selling candle, and everything is inside it. So it's not an inducement here. We will have to create another swing low. Where is our inducement now? So if you can see this candle, again, everything is inside this selling candle. So it's not our inducement as well. And this looks like as if it is inducement, but it's not inducement as well. Still at this point, price went down, up, down. Let me draw this swing structure for you so it will make a lot more easier for you to consider swing low, swing high. At this point, a swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, and a swing low again. Swing high, swing low, and swing high. So finally, price has taken out an inducement. This was the last recent pullback before this up move. So inducement taken out, what gets confirmed? We have our lower low. Our lower low gets confirmed. And this is a classic sign of change of character because you will have a higher high but a lower low. So again, going up to the upside, price has taken out enough liquidity in the form of these equal highs. We have fair value gap behind it. So again, break of structure to the downside. It will be again our break of structure to the downside. So now again, our structure plus trend both are bearish. Previously, we had our structure bearish converted into bearish, but our trend was bullish from these break of structures. But now once there is a choke and after choke there is a both, so your trend plus structure both will be in the same direction, and in this case we are bearish now. So after a break of structure, our high gets confirmed. This will be our lower high now, because when the market is in bearish terms, it will create lower lows, lower highs, and in bullish, it will create higher highs, higher lows. So now we will again look for the inducement. Where is our inducement? If you can see, this is our inducement. Price has taken out the inducement, created a lower low, and our high is still over here. So price market has just swept the inducement, grabbed the liquidity, then again 1, 2, 3. This is also kind of a liquidity sweep, break the structure to the downside. This is again our break of structure to the downside. So we are in bearish terms right now. And this is our high and now a lower. So this is our lower high. I forgot to rename it correctly. And this is our lower high now. Okay, so we will have to again look for the inducement. Where is our inducement in this leg? If you can see, this candle has taken out the previous candle's liquidity, and there are the swing high. It's clearly a liquidity sweep. So it's our liquidity sweep candle. It's our inducement. This is going to be our inducement. And prices again swept the inducement first, then again went to the upside. So once it taken out the inducement, it created a lower low. Lower low gets confirmed. Now we will have the price is aiming for the higher prices. First swept the liquidity, swept the high liquidity, then again break the structure to the upside. So it will again be our change of character. Now our structure has shifted into bullish, but our trend was bearish. So it's an indication that our trend is also about to change from bearish to bullish. So after a change of character, our low is already confirmed over here. We will need again inducement. This is our inducement. And once price has taken out the inducement, it created a higher high. At this point, our high is now higher high. Because this was our lower high, change of character, it's our higher high. After this higher high break above, after a break above this higher high, we will have our break of structure confirmed. And now we are completely bullish. Structure plus trend both are bullish. We have been market is forming higher highs and higher lows. Again, after a break of structure, we will still again need the inducement. After whenever we have seen a break of structure or a change of character, we will always look for an inducement. So this is an inducement and price has taken out the inducement, created again a higher high. This is still our higher low. So at this point, our market, our gold daily time frame market has been in a range. Okay, although we are bullish, but it's still a range. So if the market clears this range by either going above, breaking the high to the upside or low to the downside, then we will again have a trendy market. At this point, it's range bound market. So that's all about structure mapping today. But of course, this market is not simply about structure mapping. Anybody can map the structure easily if he gives it a try, if he grind it up. And so it's not that difficult to learn the structure mapping. But there are many, many more things which you need to know in order to make some profit in this market. And the things which I personally you recommend to learn is there are 3 to 4 things. First of all, you will have to know the liquidity concepts. You will have to know the liquidity concepts. And the most important thing is your draw on liquidity. Where the market will likely to draw on. What will be its direction if you are pulling a trade, if you are executing a trade. Then again, the second thing will be your market profile. A market profile, it will be your trend. Okay, whether a bullish or a bearish. So to understand your market profile, you will need some kind of structure, some kind of backbone. So I will recommend SMC structure for that to identify market profile. Okay. The last thing is the most important thing, that is time of the trade, time of the day, which are the like what is the best time of the day to trade, what are the best days of the week to trade, what are the best weeks of the month to trade. So that's very important, most extremely important concept, and most of the people avoid it. They just randomly mark the structure all over here and randomly mark their POIs. If it is a bullish POI, they will, it's okay, these things work, these things work very nicely, but you will have to understand these 3 things as well. Besides the structure mapping alone, structure mapping is just one tool. You will need these other profiles, these other concepts as well, and you will have to have the most accurate knowledge of all. You will have to have a grip on all of these concepts. So that's all about today's video. You can you can always join our group, WhatsApp group. The group link will be in the video description. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next video soon. Goodbye, guys.